Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by using Google Calendar because it produces the official Meet ID every time. This is the only reliable method for a persistent meeting link. Open Calendar. Google, and sign in. Click Create, name the event, pick date and time, and add guests now if you want. Once done, click Add Google Meet Conferencing. This action immediately creates the Meet code shown as a link. Make sure to save the event so the link is stored in the event details and available to everyone invited. Once the event is saved, open it and find the Meet link under Join with Google Meet. Copy that exact link to share or paste into messages. You can customize the event, change time, add or remove guests, and the Meet ID will remain the same for that scheduled instance. If you need recurring meetings, set the recurrence and the link will reappear for each occurrence. Also, add details in the description to explain the purpose, provide dial-in numbers, and reduce confusion before the meeting starts. To finish, share the Meet link directly or send the calendar invite so attendees have the ID and time, starting the meeting from the event page or Meet. Google, both work. You, as organizer, will have host controls, mute, admit participants, and end the call, so keep the event owner consistent. If the link doesn't work, make sure you are signed into the same Google account that created the event, verify the event wasn't deleted, and check guest permissions. If needed, recreate the event to generate a new valid meeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.